Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by stopping further changes. Close the file manager, any editors, and pause Cloud Sync so files don't shift during recovery. Next, confirm the exact folder paths and the user account you will restore to, because restoring to the wrong location creates duplicates. Then find your source, a backup archive, a system restore point, or the previous file manager database. Once you have these prerequisites, you can safely mount or open the backup and prepare to extract specific metadata and file contents. Now you restore the core data. Extract file contents from the archive, making sure to preserve timestamps and permissions so the file manager recognizes them properly. Once files are in place, restore metadata, import the file manager's database entries, or run the provided rebuild/index command. This reconnects tags, favorites, and recent lists to the files. After that, verify integrity by comparing checksums or spot-checking several critical files and folders to ensure content matches and indexes are accurate. Finish by restarting services. Re-enable Cloud Sync, restart the file manager, and let indexing complete so the UI reflects restored items. Make sure to open important folders, run a few searches, and check favorites and view settings to confirm everything works. If something goes wrong, first force a re-index or import specific database tables. If that fails, revert to an earlier backup. Keep one clear troubleshooting tip in mind. Never overwrite the backup. Work on a copy so you can always roll back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.